Now let's look at array keys. Here I have an example of the colors array again, and then I'm calling colors.keys. And if I console that, what it's going to give me is an array iterator. So what can we do with that? Well, here we have another console where I can use the array from as the from I explained in another video, and that will give us the values out of that iterator, which the key values, so 0, 1, and 2, corresponding with key values of our array. And once we examine or iterate through the iterator, it consumes the iterator. And so we actually have to redefine it again if we want to examine it again for another example. So here I've redefined it again, and now this time I'm using the for of, which is different than the normal for loop. A for of is specifically meant for iterating over an iterator. And I can do this, let key of keys, and it will give me the keys.